Okay, we're in the small town of Bakewell in the Peak District, and we just found a little we'll just park the car over there for free, so we're just walking into town. It was worth it. Alright, the bridge to town. Here's the end of our walk, as you can see just here. It's a Canada Goose in Bakewell. Here's the town. See if we have any charity shops. Oh, on the market. Vinegars and chutneys and cheese. We're marketing in Bakewell. Just navigating. Got some pick and mix, like jelly babies and stuff. What are you gonna buy? Wow.
Very good.
A little street set. A little post box. Little road. Alright, here we go. Let's find out. Here we go. There we go. It's probably the town centre, isn't it? Look, Rutland Arms. Found our first charity shop in Bakewell. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Found them. But check it out. Yeah. Hey, what did you buy? The biggest onion bhaji. Not bad, is it?
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
That was delicious.
We got some cheeses. Big old cheeses. Yeah.